Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know me, my name is Sunny as well. Welcome city. I hope you like it here. I hope you stay. Thought I should start this vlog here. Today is a Sunday. It's around 9 o'clock, so I'm just making breakfast for my family, and then we'll see what happens on this day. So yeah, join me guys as we do this today. So yeah, see you guys on the flip side. Kasheba maru kautlwa moya le rato la nete lete kelefumane le rato la mutuaka le rato la netele matla o mamela le odumela ke utwa mofutu le rato la netelete ke le fumane I love you. I love you. Kasheba maru kautwa moya le rato la nete lete kele fumane le rato la motuaka le rato la nete le matla o mamela le hodumela ke utwa mofutu le rato la nete lete ke le fumane le rato la nete. I love you. Le rato la nete don't cry moya le rato la nekele mo kasheba maru kautwa moya le rato la netelete kelelete kelefumane.
Ngisemathandweni ngizizwa ngaphakathi ngazifela ngawe true love's work ngisemathandweni ngisemathandweni Ngisema thandweni ngiyamthanda. True love's work.
Soft piano, deep bass and log drum progression. Ngiyabonga, oh ngiyabonga.
Ngisema thandweni. True love's work. Ngisema thandweni.
Got stuck, you went looking for clues, but that just made you more confused. You just need to see how lovely, how lovely, how lovely it is for you. Got stuck, you went looking for clues, but that just made you more confused. You just need to see how lovely, how lovely, how lovely it is for you. The waiting's done and you find your home right here. A light goes off and it clicks, you figure out. You put it off, yeah you did. Life didn't fall apart with it. Couldn't miss what was intended. Let the fears fly away, ride it out like a wave. Call it in on your favors, call them in. Let the fears fly away, ride it out like a wave. Allow yourself some grace, you can have it. Just like the wind, just let it pass through. Just let it pass you, you do what you do. Just like the wind, just let it pass through. Just let it pass you, you do what you do. Nothing happened by accident. Flowers bloom cause you planted them, watered them to perfection, and now there's no more empty vases. Passionate and so nurturing, watch it grow from the seeds you sent. Now you reap all the benefits. Ooh. Let the fears fly away, ride it out like a wave. Calling in all your favors, call them in. Let the fears fly away, ride it out like a wave. Allow yourself some grace, you can have it. Just like the wind, just let it pass through. Just let it pass you, you do what you do. Just like the wind, just let it pass through. Just let it pass you, you do what you
Guys, I never opened my Christmas gift. So, this is my Christmas gift. I'm only opening it in January. So this is what I bought. I got for Christmas.
What's that?
Ta-da! I got a Russell Hobb ice crusher. Yeah, so this is what I got for Christmas. So yeah, let us assemble this and see how it looks. So yeah, let's see what's inside.
Let's see.
Oh, we've got the manual.
Is it the instructions? Oh, look at this pipeline! Look!
So now let's take it out.
Did you know I got a red dress? I get a Christmas dress from Christmas.
All I want for Christmas. How do I take this out? What is this? I don't know, what do you call this? What do you call it?
It's called a virgin eye.
Hey.
Let's open.
There we go.
There we go. Are you putting in the cover? Oh, look at that.
Can you pull that for mommy? Mommy's gonna pull the box on it. There we go. Woohoo!
Put right here and make
So guys, this is how it looks.
Yeah, some
You've
ice,
got your jug over
some
here
ice cones.
that you put in here. Yeah, and then you've got that mixing paddle. So this is actually a drink mixer and an ice crusher. Yeah. Can Mama talk first? There we go. So you put this over here,
And make big ice cones.
and yeah, and then you mix. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. I should have opened it in December already, but it is what it is. So this is how it looks. Let me give you guys a 360.
We need to
Love
put
it so
batteries.
much. Love it so much. I'm really happy. Now what is here? Miranda. So guys, we're gonna be making muffins, blueberry muffins. It's me and Iggy.
Can we start?
Yeah, we're gonna start now. So we've have our ingredients here, and yeah, we'll be basically starting soon. Yeah. Ugu, put that gently down. Thank you very much, ma'am.
ngisemathandweni ngizizwa ngaphakathi ngazifela ngawe true love's work ngisemathandweni 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 ngiyamthanda true love's work
Soft piano, deep bass and log drum progression. Ngiyabonga, oh ngiyabonga.
Ngisemathandweni, true love's work. Ngisemathandweni, true love's work.
My head above the water, finally I can breathe again. Lost in the waves I wander, but in your eyes I see no pain. You're a holiday, a break from the rain. Sipping your sunshine, come take me away. In the water, finally I can breathe again. You're a dream, 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 dream. Standing in your presence, carry me away, honey. A dream, 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 dream. Make me lose my senses, carry me away, away. A dream, dream, dream. Come take me away. I see a new horizon. My 2 feet steady on the ground. With you I found my reason. Yeah, to keep chasing what we found. You're a holiday, a break from the rain. Sipping the sunshine, come take me away. New horizon, finally I can see again. You're a dream, 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 dream. Standing in your presence, carry me away, honey. A dream, 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 dream. Make me lose my senses, carry me away, away. Dream, dream, dream. Come take me away. You're a dream, dream, dream. Standing in your presence, carry me away, honey. Dream, 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 dream.
So this is the end result of nothing mixed together. But yeah, so yeah, I'm happy, I can say. So just taste them and see how they taste. But they look delicious. They look delicious.
Ke ile ka batla lerato hohle le ha ke ne ke le mong ka sheba maru ka utlwa moya lerato la nnete le teng che le fumane, che le fumane, le ratole.
I hope you like it here. I hope you stay. So today is a Saturday and I am going to go do my hair. Yolanda. She's based here in Milnerton, so she normally does my installation the weekly. So yeah, join me today as I do that, guys. See you guys on the flip side. Bye. No busy Saturday, ne? Nayenza imali. Yes, I never know. Especially if I get 25.
Tuaka le ratolane dile matla o mamela le hodumela ke utwa mofutu le ratolane le teng ke le fumane.
Shishilanga namhlanje kukude apho ndiyakhona mntana but hopefully I'll get there soon. Sisahambe emalangeni akushushu. Ake senzofika noko unyamezela gazini unyamezela. Oh, anditrust ke sana but ke into yethutyana until I sort my hair out and I'll be fine. Kudla kwathiwa xa iinwele zentombi zirayithi konke kurayithi. Kushiwo jongani lapha guys, ndiyabuka ezintle izindlu zenu nina, ezintle izindlu zenu mona down. Kuhle kule ndawo namakuyo. Hayi ezinye izindlu zenu mabethuna nenza njani? Phakathi inside. I was scared of getting lost, but it's phakathi inside. I remember the directions clearly. So yeah, let's go and do my hair. One thing about Yolanda, guys, doesn't fail gaming. Doesn't fail gaming. She serves all the time. Okay, guys, I'm going to China Mall right now. I need glue for my lashes and then the baby girl. What? Mama Bandana is a baby girl. So yeah, come with me as I do that. Ngizozama ke vlog as much as I can. But ke kuvele kube tense kwakho abantu abaninzi. So yeah. So let's see how it goes. But ke once a girl is girling. Ayiva. Yes. Hi guys, I just came to close off this vlog. I'm back from the lady that did my hair. I'm really happy. So yeah, I just wanted to close off this vlog, guys. Thank you for watching this far. Please like and comment and subscribe. Just a nugget for the week. Remember that God is offended by complaining. So complaining offends your creator, or complaining offends God. So let's try by all means to stop complaining and trust that God will work it out. So we all have troubles. We are all going through a lot, but let's not complain, because complaining what? Complaining offends your creator. Okay guys, see you guys on the next one. Bye.